Trading doesn't have to be fast-paced chaos. This account is growing from focused setups. Hey traders, welcome back to the Small Account Truck Challenge. This is my asymmetric compounding strategy, where I help day traders like you grow a small $500 account and turn it into a full-blown, brand new, high-end adventure truck. And we're doing it with just one trade a day, just one. And we're going to try to reach that goal of a brand new truck, paying for it only with our profits from our day trading account. And we're going to try to do it in less than 4 months. So let me take you inside and show you why this one trade has so much potential. Today is August 26, 2025, and today I turned a starting balance of just over $2,024 into a new high of $3,530. One trade, one stock, ALLR. And this setup was one of those trades that felt like it just wanted to be traded. Clean, stair-step price action, high volume, and every Discord institutional level acting like proof the chart was speaking in advance. Let me walk you through how I read it and why this trade was such a textbook example of process over profits. At 6:02 a.m., ALLR hit our Discord alerts because it checked all 5 boxes for interest: volume, fresh news catalyst, high short interest, an algo spike breaking through the daily 50 EMA, and low price for high leverageability. That combo told me, pay attention. At 6:14 a.m. Mountain Time, after a quick consolidation, price reclaimed and held the 9 EMA with confirming volume. That was my cue. I entered at $1.29 with a consolidation breakout setup. My stop was at a tight $1.25, giving me just 4 cents of risk. My minimum reward requirement was 12 cents per share, which put my initial target at $1.52 at this Discord level. But with the probability pointing to a much higher move, I trailed my stop levels up with each Discord level as price treated each level like stairs climbing up. And here's where I love trading with our community. At 6:15 a.m., I told the group to keep an eye on this setup for the next entry. For those who missed the first entry, the 6:25 a.m. Mountain Time candle gave a second low-risk opportunity to get in. And it didn't stop there. ALLR kept rewarding patience. Every single one of our Discord institutional levels offered another clean, super low risk, high probability entry. That's why so many in the group were able to catch levels of this move right alongside me. It wasn't just my win. It was a group of traders full of wins. From there, ALLR treated each Discord institutional level like a stair step. This is the kind of clean price action our group loves to trade. I finally exited at $2.25 at 7:42 a.m. Mountain Time, right at our Discord level, because that level lined up squarely with a daily consolidation base. But that's not the only reason I sold there. Price hadn't tested the 50 EMA all morning long, and I expected a pullback. The push to $2.28 happened on lighter volume, predicting an upcoming reversal. 225 was a proven institutional level, that perfect place to secure profits. So 88 minutes into the trade, nearly $1 per share locked in for profit for a 74% gain. Guys, this is the kind of price action where the pretender shows up. The pretender whispers just by the breakout, it's going to the moon. But here's the truth. That's not strength. That's bait. How many times has a green candle fooled traders into thinking that they're catching the big move only to leave them holding the bag? That pretender thrives on FOMO, on false confidence, on making you react instead of read. But today's trade proved the opposite. Structure beats hype. EMA reclaim, volume confirmation, and our institutional levels gave the real map for this trade. Traders who chased the pretender got punished. Traders who trusted the process got paid. Now, here's a circle back to a crazy YouTube comment on one of my videos in this series. Someone commented that this challenge is impossible. And guys, I'm not even sure what that's supposed to mean. Impossible? What? The commenter went on to say, it's dumb to make this challenge about a $100,000 truck. Okay, guys, here's the thing. This challenge isn't at all about a truck. It's about lifestyle and teaching those serious traders out there some important chart reading skills. For me, it's the outdoors. It's the mountains, it's the lakes, and the family time. And all of that includes a truck to pull the boat, to haul the toys, and most importantly, load up the grandkids for the adventures that we love. That's who I am. And the truck is just part of the glue that ties it all together for our family. For someone else, their symbol might be different. Maybe it's paying off the house, or traveling the world, or building a legacy fund. Bottom line, every trader has a lifestyle goal. The reason we trade isn't just numbers on a screen. It's the lifestyle that makes us happy and bonded. Profits don't make you consistent. Process does. And part of that process is knowing where to enter. That's why I teach my traders to use our Discord institutional levels. They give the lowest risk, highest probability entries every single time. No chasing, no FOMO, no guesswork, just pure logic and data-based trading that aligns with what the institutions are already doing. When you follow that chart logic, the entries practically reveal themselves. And that's how you build consistency. Did you know that according to the FINRA studies, over 70% of retail traders who chase parabolic breakouts end up taking losses within their first 30 days? That's why I teach don't chase. Read the chart. Let price and volume prove it to you first. So what can you take away from today's trade? First, keep your radar sharp. It wasn't just volume that put ALLR in play. It was the news. It was the short interest. It was the key levels in play and that algo spike through the daily 50 EMA. Second, the entry wasn't just random. It was a consolidation breakout confirmed by the EMA reclaim and volume. Third, risk was tiny, just 4 cents. Reward, nearly $1. That's the math that compounds small accounts. And last, structure never lies. Every Discord level lined up like stairs, making the read smooth and clean. Today's profit of $1,505.28 pushes the truck fund to $3,530.12, starting from just $513 a week ago. Every disciplined trade brings us closer to that truck, and more importantly, to financial freedom. If this breakdown helped you see the market a little clearer, hit the like, subscribe, and click that bell. Every video is packed with real educational trading insights that you won't find anywhere else. And I promise you won't want to miss our next video. So guys, if you're serious about leveling up your trading game and finally achieving a 95% win rate on your trades, join us today at MomentumStockTraders.com. And here's what you're going to get when you join us. Every day you get full trade guidance on every trade that we take. I walk you through every trade step by step. You get the custom scanners and charting tools. These are the same ones that I use to be able to identify every setup before they make the big move. You get full access to our private Discord channel, and this is where the action happens. You get the AI-assisted alerts so that you're never left second guessing when things are really heating up. You get the institutional levels, and these are the real levels. These are not the retail levels. These are the levels the institutions position their trades, and these are the levels that move the market. You'll get the full trade breakdowns every day so that you'll know exactly why things worked out the way they did. But the best part is you're going to get personal one-on-one mentoring from me personally, and you'll get access to an amazing, fantastic community of serious day traders. This program is for anyone who's serious about fixing problems like profits too small or losses too big. And if you lack consistency in your win rate, this is the right place for you because we solve all of those problems for you. But this is not a copy my trade service. It's real education, real guidance, and a real platform to grow your skills, your profitability, and your edge. And here's the brutal fact about trade copying services. If you're trade copying, You're simply copying somebody else's click. That's emotion. That's not strategy. And here's the thing, guys. You're already late to the game. You've increased your risk, you've reduced your profits, and that fuels panic. Our edge? Real insider chart information that fuels action, not reaction, and profit, not panic. The members inside of our community are crushing it every single day. So if you're ready to stop second-guessing yourself and trade with real clarity, head over to MomentumStockTraders.com and join us today. And thanks so much for hanging out with me for a few minutes today. I hope this video was helpful to you. And remember, trade focus, trade patient, trade smart, and let's grow those small accounts together. And I'll see you in the next video.